Okay, well, we have our dye i5s. Oh boy, we've been waiting for these for a long time and are so happy. But wait, when you go to look through them, there is a little bit of problem. Let's take a look. Yeah, they're kind of opaque. Looks like there's a film on them. When you go online and you find out, yeah, there is a film on, you try to take it off. But, you know, it turns out that the film is not on the outside. You would think they would have a protective film on the outside, wouldn't you? Oh, no. It is on the inside. And to get the inside, that means you have to get the glasses out. You're going to have to change those goggle lens. And here's where the fun comes in, because over on the sides, you see these blue, or as the company calls it, cyan color, and they need to kind of come out. They're on a hinge, and they need to go to the inside. On both sides. Sounds so easy, but how do you do that? Well, there's some tabs right here. You see where my fingernail finishes? Yeah, there's a tab there. And so you're supposed to slide it into the front. Trying to slide it into the front. Well, good luck with your fingernails. So you get your adjusting tool. Yes, that's right. We're going to have to do some prying actions, and hopefully it doesn't slip off and we bang our fingers at it, but you can see that it is not wanting to go. But if you twist it, once you get it in there, it starts to eventually budge. It starts to eventually budge. Okay. Did that do it? No, I don't think I've got it yet. Damn. Now, this is what they said. Mama said there would be days like this, so let's try some more. Hey, I think I got it. Yes. Did we get all of it? No, we got to get the other side, but oh no, I guess the other side was in far enough position. Yeah, I tried working with it before I started the video, and I did apparently get that up there enough. You can see how hard that is. Woohoo! That's not even an easy one to get to. But yeah, there's another one, and you got to slide it to the front also. Okay, which I guess we did. And so now we can make this hinge come around, baby. There we go. That was the action you wanted. You see how it flips back and forth? When it's there, now we should be able to take the lens and slide it out. And it says there in fine print, once it's in that position, we should just be able to pull it through, and voila. Ha ha. Yeah, that should be able to get there, but yet, how do you get that thing loose? That baby is on there solid. So you'll work with it for a while, and you'll work with it for a while, and you find, well, it's not on this piece, it's over here on the actual lens, not on the corner. And eventually you'll get a hold of it. And I do mean eventually, because it took me a while. But even trying to work with it here now is not an easy proposition. But there it is. That's what we're looking for. You see how it's starting to come off? Yes. Oh, how sweet it is. So, yeah, we could have taken it all off, but, you know, I haven't got it pried off on this other side yet. I've still got some more work to do. But that's the point. Here we go. It's starting to come off. And that is a sucker we want to get. Now, why they put the film on the inside, I don't know. Wouldn't you think you'd want it on the outside during transportation? Yeah, you would think so. But that is the problem. So now that that's out of the way, and we could slide it back in, get the hinges back, put the grace legs in, probably going to have to pry them in again. But now, hopefully, it's a little better. Oh yeah, you can see already that's better, isn't it? So, yeah, that's the difference. Now look at my hand so clear. And so that means, yes, when we put on the dye, i5s, we're going to be presto. We'll be good to go. So I'm still going to have to work with this other side. I thought I had it. You can see those tabs. I think I've got it all the way forward. If you take a look at it, it looks to be all the way over there. I don't think I can make it go any further. Go to the one on the bottom, and it's a little hard to even see there, isn't it? And I've got a big, powerful light on there. Okay, let's make sure that that's all the way to the front. Excuse me a second, we're going off screen. Okay. Pry it all the way to the front. Ah! Can you imagine your fingernails to try to do that? And will the cyan blue tab come over? No, it will not. Ah. Okay, well, that's about it for right now. So I'll say a couple prayers. You pray for me too, and I'll see if I can get this. But at least we got the film off from the inside, and maybe I'll just use these lenses for a while, right? But that's kind of the idea. You're supposed to bring these brown tabs, or I guess they're kind of gray tabs, to the front, top and bottom. Out it slides. Take the lens out, and presto. Stay tuned. Okay, well, I think tenacity is going to pay off. So here's the scoop. Once we've got one of the sides out there, and as you face the glass from the front, the goggles, on the left-hand side, I was able to, by moving those two tabs up, get the blue cyan hinge to go over. So what we're going to do is we're going to, as we saw before, is get this out. See, what's happening on the back of this hinge, and they don't seem to tell you about, you see this little nubbin that's sticking out there? Yeah, that fits over the goggles, and so it's kind of like a hinge that catches there, and as long as that's on, that glass is not going to move, which is good. You don't want it to move. So here you can see what's happening is this piece right here is going to have this little hinge to go through it right here, and it's going to hold it in place. So okay, we've got that out, and I cannot get this one to go forward. I cannot get the hinge to work. I've got the two tabs there all the way forward as far as they will go, and I'm not getting anywhere. So okay, we go to plan B, and that is that why don't I just try sliding out from the side. I can kind of see back here where that other piece is hooked in there for the lens. Okay, so I'm just going to slide this out and push it some, and we're going to manhandle it, and we're going to get it off. Ha ha! There it went. And so you can either do it that way, or I guess you could get a screwdriver in there and pop it up. And now look, the blue hinge, it goes so nice. Isn't that great? Well, I don't care how far I poked those two tabs that they were not going to go. But now that I've got it, out it goes. And if you wanted to get the film off of the lens, you could do that. If you wanted to change to a different lens, fine. If you ultimately really wanted to go ahead and get these pieces out, where you take a little coin or something like that, a screwdriver, put it here, and because it's on the other side, you're going to go clockwise, not counterclockwise. Take that out, and then you can go ahead and put your, I guess, GoPro or whatever you want, your action camera in there, and you can have a POV, a first-person point of view. So that's where that goes there. But at any rate, that's all. Okay, we're going to put it back together, and kind of the opposite thing. We're going to slide it through there, and you see that right here, it's got these two little hooks. I guess if you can see that right there, and those are going to go sliding it in right here and right there to kind of cinch it in place. And then when we get through, we are going to put the cyan blue hinges back in position. We're going to slide these tabs back to the back again on the top and the bottom, and everybody will happily ever after. So that's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed the show, and good luck with yours. Be sure to give yourself about a half hour, have a couple drinks or whatever you do to kind of take care of the tensions. Take the dog for a walk, don't kick your dog, and maybe you'll be good to go as well. Okay, that's all. Bye for now.